Hi, I'd like to introduce you to the equipment used on the Electronics Equipment Repair 2 course. These are the parts for the kit, including a breadboard unit for building up electronic circuits, some hookup wire, a potentiometer here, some various switches, fuse, assignment parts for building up City and Guilds practical assignments, capacitors here, 470 microfarads, large capacitors, 100 microfarads, some smaller ones also, bridge rectifiers, resistor networks, diodes for converting AC to DC, voltage regulators, resistors of various types, sizes and ohmic values, Zener diodes, LEDs of different types, chips, 555 timers, a digital IC, a 741 operational amplifier, some tools, screwdriver and cutters, also multimeter for measuring and testing circuits, a transformer which produces a 9 volts AC output, connector here for the transformer, transistors NPN and PNP. Okay, thank you very much.